In this video, I will show you how to fix if you're getting a HVCI enabled error in Valorant on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you are trying to play Valorant but you're getting an error message come up like this which says VAN restriction, HVCI enabled, there's a couple of things you can do to fix this problem. Now, the first fix for this from your desktop, what you want to do is come down and click onto the Windows Start icon in your taskbar at the bottom. From here, come up and click onto Settings. If you don't see it in your pinned apps, use the search box at the top, type Settings, and then open up Settings underneath Best Match. From here, come to the left hand side and click onto Privacy and Security. From here, click onto Windows Security at the top, and in here you want to look for Device Security just here, and then give that a click. On the device security window, if you look at the top, you're going to see an option for core isolation. Click onto the blue link here which says core isolation details, and on here you want to turn off your memory integrity. Once you've done this, be sure to restart your PC, so just close these windows down once you've turned it off, come down, restart your PC and see if that fixes the problem. Now, if that didn't work for you, then the next thing you're going to want to do is enable the virtualization technology in your Windows BIOS. Now, this is very dependent on what type of PC or laptop you're using and what model, but basically once you're in the BIOS mode, what you want to do is look for something called SVM mode, or it might say virtualization, and you want to make sure that's enabled. If it's currently disabled, enable it. That's going to enable CPU virtualization and should now hopefully fix the problem and enable you to play Valorant. So that's how to fix HVCI enabled in Valorant on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.